I'm Adam Willems. I'm lead reporter at the Financial Revolutionist.
And I'm Chris Cox, Chief Operating Officer of Apiture.
Thank you, Chris, for joining us.
Adam, thanks for having me.
Of course. My first question is, what is Apiture?
Sure. So Apiture is a digital banking company. We provide full-service consumer and business banking tools for U.S.-based banks and credit unions.
Gotcha. You were on a panel at FinTech Meetup.
I was.
What did you discuss and kind of what were the main points you made?
Yeah, it was a really fun panel. So the topic was considerations for starting up a digital-only bank.
Okay.
So there were two technology providers or partners, and there was one financial institution, and we just sort of talked through topics as financial institutions think about starting digital banks.
Right. Okay. Understood. With that in mind, kind of how much did you touch on recent banking-related crises during that conversation?
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously the topic of the day. So during the panel, we didn't talk a lot about it. There's a lot of discussion, amongst the participants here at the conference about, what does it mean for the industry in general? What does it mean for software providers in the market? So we didn't talk about it during the panel, but we've talked a lot about it during the conference.
What does it mean for Apiture?
So I think, for Apiture, right now, it doesn't have a significant impact on us. So our clients are community banks and credit unions spread across the U.S. We have about 300 different clients. I think the biggest immediate impact you're going to see related to what happened last week is a real focus on uninsured deposits. So I don't think, consumers for sure and businesses also were really thinking about deposit insurance limits and could my bank really go out of business? And if that happens, what happens? And I think that's a topic these days. So I think you're going to see a little bit of shifting of deposits, right? As one sort of risk strategy is for a business, if they've got a large, cash balance, to spread their money around different financial institutions.
Right.
So I think you'll see some shifting, especially in community banks. And there are other solutions out there to help manage sort of deposit size risk.
Right.
So I think that could be good for companies like Apiture. We have a digital account opening solution. Okay. So we can help financial institutions attract new deposits with a really nice, efficient digital account opening products, which is part of what they're going to need to bring in new deposits.
Right. Are you looking to build out new financial products or new financial product capabilities as it relates to things like FDIC deposit limits?
So Apiture probably won't specifically. So that's just not part of our market space. So you can think about us. We're digital engagement.
Yeah.
So think online banking, mobile banking, and then as user interfaces evolve over time, that's the business that we're in.
Sure.
So we help our clients engage with their customers through digital channels, and we do that through a whole bunch of different partnerships with fintechs and other providers in the industry. Our job is to seamlessly stitch together third-party solutions that our clients need to help them grow their business. So I'm not going to be surprised if our clients come to us with new deposit-related products and offerings that they want to make part of their experience.
Right.
So our job will be to integrate those products into our platform, which we'll do. That's part of what we do.
And that involves bringing in new vendors into your marketplace, essentially?
It does. That's right. So we pride ourselves on allowing our clients to work with whatever partners they need to run their business. Right. So every one of our clients serves a unique client base in unique ways. And there are so many great solutions out there. You can see a lot of them here at the conference that they can use to help run their business and grow their business. So bring us a partner, bring us someone you're interested in working with, and we're always ready, willing, and able to integrate that partner into our platform. That's part of how we go to market.
Gotcha. Any final announcements or other things to comment on?
No announcements. I mean, at Apiture, we're really focused on, as financial institutions, like all businesses, are focused on digital engagement. As financial institutions are feeling competitive pressure from fintechs, as consumers have evolving expectations around how they want to engage with really all businesses, but also financial institutions through digital channels. Our job is to be there to provide a great solution. So we'll continue to do that. Consumer business banking. We're really focused on the concept of embedded banking, so creating new growth channels for financial institutions by allowing them to operate in digital domains that they don't necessarily own or control. Okay. We're really focused on data, helping financial institutions use all the data they have to help them run their business better and grow their business. So there's a lot of opportunity for us in the market with the product sets that we have.
Great. Yeah, thank you again.
Thank you. Yeah.